Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing okay. My name is of course Steve Clues. Today I'm going to be reviewing this USB cable that you can buy on Amazon. This is by Momen. But first, roll those titles. Right, now this is the cable here. I'm just going to show you what it's like when it's switched on. This is why I'll do like this cable. Some say it is quite expensive, but some say it is decent and all. So, but basically you plug it in USB. Oh, let me get it in. Switched on. Now it's on now. As you can see. And that's it. That side is micro USB. Now the other side is normal USB. And to get the lights on, you've actually got a switch on the USB. Switch there. I mean, they do seem quite strong. I don't actually see a problem with them. If you like the look of this cable anyway, you can buy it on Amazon and just basically click on the link in the description below. It'll be on there. But apart from that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.